Hey, it's Al Spiegel from the McLario firm. It is Estate Planning Awareness Month, and we're doing these short videos just to give you quick answers to quick questions people have about estate planning techniques or how things work or whatever. Today's topic is payable on death. A lot of folks will come in and say, why don't I just make all my accounts payable on death to one of my kids, have them take care of all the bills, and then spread it out amongst the others? And there are certainly people who have done that and it has worked fine. However, there are also horror stories, and I'm going to tell you one of those horror stories. The situation was grandma made her granddaughter payable on death on all of her accounts, instructed granddaughter, at my death, I want you to pay for the funeral, I want you to take care of all the expenses, and then whatever's left, you keep for yourself because you've taken care of me. Grandma passes, all these assets go to granddaughter, and the family meets at the funeral home to plan grandma's funeral. Uh, Granddaughter participates in the meeting. They make all the plans about flowers and songs and caskets and all the different things that you have to decide. And at the end of the meeting, granddaughter stands up and announces, by the way, I won't be paying for any of this. My lawyer told me I legally don't have to. Now, is that a horrible thing to do? Absolutely it is. Was she legally correct? Yes, she was. So in order to protect that, in order to make sure those wishes were going to be carried out, Grandma would have been much wiser to put together a revocable trust, keep everything out of probate, make sure those bills are paid, and then give the rest to whoever she wants, or a will, same result, but she's got to go through the probate process to do it. So you are taking a risk when you make payable on death designations your estate plan, because you aren't giving anyone a pot of money to pay bills with, and beneficiaries don't have any legal obligation to pay them. So be careful about that. Make sure you're talking to the people that are involved in your estate, so that you know that you can trust them. And the best option is always get it all in writing, do it all legally correctly, spend the time and energy and money now to make sure you're not going to cause stress for anyone else in the event of your death. So those are my thoughts on payable on deaths. Great tool, but we got to use it wisely. Take care.